train lost its carriages.
I am the fastest train. What is that? Oh no! Help! Help! Please save me!
Huh? Accident alert! Let's go! Oh no! It's a train! Wait, I have never fixed a train before.
Please help me, TinkerBot! Please save me!
Okay, we're here. Welcome to TinkerBot Repair Center.
Thank you very much!
That was very dangerous. Let's go to the repair shop. I will do my best to fix you.
I don't know why there was a big rock on my tracks.
First, I will remove the old train cars. I will replace them with 3 new ones. Now I connect them with 3 different pins. Star shape. Triangle shape. Circle shape. Done. Now let's fix the wheels. You can try again. Oh, your chimney is broken too. I will fix it. Okay, all done. Now let's clean you. Put on bubbles. Blow dry with a fan. Wax and polish. All done.
Wow! I look cooler than before! You are an amazing repair hero!
You're welcome. I'm happy you like it.
I must go pick up my passengers now.
Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a good trip.
Ah. Oh.